In this video, I'm going to discuss the most important questions about gene interaction which comes in different competitive exams of biology। लिहाजा आपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1 is the effect of both epistatic and hypostatic gene is known as complementary genes, supplementary genes, epistasis, mutation. So correct answer is option C. The effect of both epistatic and hypostatic gene is collectively known as epistasis. Question number 2. Epistasis in summer squash was observed in fruit shape, fruit color, flower position, flower color. So correct answer is option B. Epistasis in summer squash or cucurbita pepo is observed in fruit color. Question number 3. F2 dihybrid 9:3:4 ratio is explained on the basis of epistatic gene, supplementary gene, allelic interaction, complementary gene. So correct answer is option B. F2 dihybrid ratio 9:3:4 is explained on the basis of supplementary gene. Question 4. The gene that masks or suppresses the other gene is called epistasis, hypostatic, epistatic, complementary gene. So correct answer is option C. The gene that masks or suppresses the other gene is known as epistatic gene. Question 5. What is the example of supplementary gene? Cucurbita pepo, skin color of mice, Mirabilis jalaba, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Skin color of mice is example of supplementary gene. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी प्रेस कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. A very common form of genetic interaction takes place by supplementary genes, complementary genes, epistasis, hypostatic. So correct answer is option B. A very common form of gene interaction takes place by complementary genes. Question 7. The genotype of white-flowered parent with the gene for enzyme is CC capital P, CC capital PP small, C capital C small, P capital P small, CC small, P capital C small. So correct answer is option B. The genotype of white-flowered parent with gene for enzyme is CCP small. Question number 8. The genotype of the true breeding white variety in Cucurbita pepo is W capital W small, Y capital Y small, W capital W capital Y capital Y small, W capital W small, Y capital Y capital, W capital W capital Y capital Y capital. So correct answer is option D. The genotype of true breeding white variety in Cucurbita pepo is W capital W capital Y capital Y capital. Question 9. Dominant epistasis is shown by Lathyrus odoratus, Mirabilis jalapa, Cucurbita pepo, Antirrhinium. So correct answer is option C. Dominant epistasis is shown by Cucurbita pepo. Question 10. Epistasis was observed in summer squash by Batson, Punnett, Correns, synode. So correct answer is option D. Epistasis in summer squash was absorbed by synode. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस कर दें। क्वेश्चन 11, जीन इंटरेक्शन इज आल्सो नोन एज ब्लेंडिंग इनहेरिटेंस, वेरिएशन, म्यूटेशन, factor interaction. So correct answer is option D. Gene interaction is also known as factor interaction. Question 12. Two pair of non-allelic dominant genes which interact to produce one phenotype is complementary genes, supplementary genes, epistasis, dihybrid cross. So correct answer is option A. Two pair of non-allelic dominant genes which interact to produce one new phenotype is known as complementary genes. Question 13. Complementary genes interaction was first discovered in Lathyrus odoratus, Mirabilis jalaba, Cucurbita pepo, Antirrhinium. So correct answer is option A. Complementary gene interaction was first of all discovered in Lathyrus odoratus. Question 14. The number of green fruits produced due to epistasis in summer squash is 12, 3, 1, 7. So correct answer is option C. The number of green fruits produced due to epistasis in summer squash is 1. Question 15. What is the product of cross CC PP small, CC small, PP capital? Option A C capital, C capital, P capital, P capital, C capital, C small, P capital, P small, C capital, C capital, P capital, P small, P small, C small, C small, P capital, P capital. तो इनका जब क्रॉस करवाएंगे तो इसमें से होमोजाइगस गैमेट्स में से इसमें से सिर्फ C और इसमें से P और इधर से भी C और P, तो इनका जो क्रॉस बनेगा वो बनेगा C कैपिटल, C स्मॉल और P कैपिटल, P स्मॉल. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन B. Question 16. The color of the flowers produced by dominant alleles C and P in Sweet Pea Lathyrus odoratus is white, red, pink, purple. So correct answer is option D. The color of the flower produced due to dominant alleles containing C and P in Sweet Pea is purple. Question 17. The gene which is suppressed from expressing its effect by other gene is called epistasis, hypostatic gene, complementary gene. So correct answer is option B. Hypostatic gene is the gene whose expression is suppressed by other dominant gene. Question 18. The genotype of true breeding green fruit in summer squash is W capital W small, Y capital Y small, W small W small, Y small Y small, W capital W capital, Y capital Y capital, W capital W small, Y capital Y capital. So correct answer is option B. The genotype of true breeding green fruit in summer squash is W small, Y small, Y small. Question 19. A gene that inhibits the expression of another gene is said to be hypostatic, epistatic, mutant, allele. So correct answer is option B. A gene that inhibits the expression of an other gene or allele is known as epistatic gene. Question 20. Number of genes involved in the demonstration of complementary genes in Lathyrus odoratus is one gene, a pair of genes, two pair of genes, more than two pair of genes. So correct answer is option C. Two pair of genes are involved in demonstration of complementary gene pairs in complementary genes in Lathyrus odoratus. Question 21. The phenotypic ratio of complementary gene in sweet pea is 3:1, 9:7, 9:3:3:1, 12:3:1. So correct answer is option B. The phenotypic ratio in case of complementary genes in sweet pea is 9:7. Question 22. Complementary genes in sweet pea was first discovered by Mendel and Morgan, Batson and Correns, Batson and Punnett, Hugo de Vries and Punnett. So correct answer is option C. Complementary genes in sweet pea was discovered by Batson and Punnett. Question 23. Purple pigment in Lathyrus odoratus is called chromogen, chlorophyll, hemocyanin, anthocyanin. So correct answer is option D. Purple pigment in Lathyrus odoratus is anthocyanin. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आप जेनेटिक्स के डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स पर एमसीक्यूज चाहते हैं तो आप इस चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट को विज़िट करें। वहाँ पे हर एक टॉपिक में तकरीबन आलमोस्ट एमसीक्यूज मैंने बनाए हुए हैं, तो आप वहाँ जाकर विज़िट कर सकते हैं और उन एमसीक्यूज से मुस्तफ़ीद हो सकते हैं। Question 25. The gene which is suppressed for expressing its effect by other gene is called epistasis, hypostasis, epistatic complementary gene. So correct answer is option B. The gene which is suppressed from expressing its effect by other gene is known as hypostatic gene. Question 26. The color of endosperm in maize is an example of duplicate gene, recessive gene, dominant gene, polymeric gene. So correct answer is option A. The color of endosperm in maize is an example of duplicate gene. Question 27. Fruit shape in tomato is an example of duplicate gene, supplementary gene, polygenic inheritance, complementary gene. So correct answer is option A. Fruit shape in tomato is an example of duplicate gene. Question 28. Phenomenon in which an allele of one gene suppresses the activity of other allele at another gene locus is called dominance, epistasis, suppression, inactivation. So correct answer is option B. The phenomenon in which allele of one gene suppresses the activity of other allele at another gene locus is known as epistasis. Question 29. The ratio 9:3:3:1 is modified into 9:7 due to supplementary gene, hypostatic gene, epistatic gene, complementary gene. So correct answer is option D. The ratio 9:3:3:1 is modified into 9:7 due to complementary gene. Question 30. The phenotypic ratio in dominant epistasis is 3:1, 9:7, 9:3:3:1, 12:3:1. So correct answer is option D. The phenotypic ratio in dominant epistasis is 12:3:1. Question 31. In Drosophila, gene which is responsible for white eye is also responsible for depigmentation of body is known as oncogene, hypostatic gene, epistatic gene, paleiotropic gene. So correct answer is option D. In Drosophila, the gene which is responsible for white eye is also responsible for depigmentation. In this way, it shows multiple phenotypic effects, so it is known as paleotropic gene. Question 32. Phenotypic ratio 15:1 is found in epistatic gene, inhibitory gene, duplicate gene, complementary gene. So correct answer is option B. Phenotypic ratio 15:1 is found in inhibitory genes. Question 33. Feather colors in fall is an example of inhibitory gene, hypostatic gene, epistatic gene, paleotropic gene. So correct answer is option A. Feather color in fall is an example of inhibitory gene. तो ये थे 33 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट जीनिक इंट्रक्शन। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और इसकी प्लेलिस्ट देखना मत भूलें, क्योंकि वहाँ पे सारे चैप्टर्स और बहुत सारे और चैप्टर्स के ऊपर भी MCQs बनाए हुए हैं। लिहाजा आपने उनको जाकर देखना है और उनसे मुस्तफ़ीद होना है।